What's up, homeboys and gals? Another day, another raw chicken. Are we starting to trust the raw chicken here? We're building that trust with patience. With patience. And the raw chicken hasn't harmed me. So I'm starting to really trust the raw chicken. Raw chicken makes me healthy. Who you gonna trust in 2024? Yesterday I talked about who can you trust in the health space. It's tough out here. Everybody trying to scam you, sell their bullshit beliefs, agendas. But there's people who wanna know the truth also. But it's hard to find. But when it comes to health, you really need to do your own experiments. Everybody's a little bit different. We do have a natural diet, I believe that, for sure. But everybody's a little bit different. This food might work for you, and this for you, this for me, this for that person. You get the point. And some foods might not work for me, you, that person. But what about other stuff? Now, when you get past the materialism of this realm, you can understand it's just there, but doesn't really bring any meaningful meaning. If that's a meaningful meaning to your life, doesn't really produce the happy chemicals after the dopamine spike you get when you buy some new shit. After that, you get kinda bored easily with the material stuff. Doesn't mean you cannot make things beautiful here. That's one of the things the girls, the women's, they're really good. They make things beautiful. And I learned to appreciate that. When I was a young man, young boy, I didn't really understand. That was when I realized material things don't bring that much happiness. They're kind of meaningless. Then I've come a little bit back around. Feng Shui, or whatever they call it, it's called, when you put things beautifully in your place, out there. But that's kinda, I don't care about it personally, or I don't have that much interest to do it alone. But I think the gals, they really know that shit. That's their area of expertise when it comes to things. Maybe some guys do, but not for me. Been eating too much raw chicken, my balls do low. But when you get past the materialism, the door opens for the spirituality, the spirit, the bigger things, just bigger things than yourself. God, gods, nature, love, soul, soulmates. Truth, what is the truth, what is not the truth? Kind of the deeper things in life. Supernatural, is that real? angels, demons, spirits, magic, the Most High, black magic, light magic, demonic entities, Baal, Moloch, what else? There's many else. All that jazz, esoteric stuff also. Alchemy. Who you can trust with that stuff? That's where you can get really lost in the sauce, I think. There's some amazing spiritual predators hunting lost souls to make a little buck out of them, out of the sheep. And some of those guys, they're really charismatic, beautiful people outside. And when you're lost, you are easy to get. You're not thinking logically. You're kind of in the fearful state. Also what the Illuminati wants. Always when you feel lost, you are easier to get. You don't see things clearly. So, the health stuff, at least you can see the effects diets are making over long periods of time for different people, and then you can experiment with it yourself and practice some introspection and see how the diet make you feel. So there's some practical actions you can take, and actually if you pay attention, feel the changes, feel what's real, what's working, what's not. It's not that easy, because you can mix the spiritual, the religious beliefs also to the diet. But when it comes to the spirituality, religions, it's really hard to know what's the truth, what's bullshit. I kinda looked into pretty much everything I know about. There's not much I have not looked into. There's the yoga, other Eastern ideas, the way. Then there's the Bible stuff, like the Abrahamic religions. All that. Who can you trust with that? All the spiritual things, New Age, whatever. But when you look at it, look at the people following this. Some people, the good thing about some of these are that they have very nice, kinda happy looking from the outside in, kinda happy looking societies. So they got the community going, at least from the outside looking in. And some of them even live pretty naturally. They still want to make kids, start families, eat somewhat naturally, like the Amish people maybe. So those are good things. But also it seems many people are kinda lost in the sauce, kinda coping about it. Like some of the people don't seem too real. All the cults are also built with the same ideas, making you believe some beliefs. money the leader, all that. That kind of low level, what the Illuminati guys did, the cults and religions. I also think the Illuminati guys used religions to brainwash us, make us think what is good and bad, but in the nature, I don't think it goes quite like that. But always there's some truth mixed into it. That's the hard part. Because all the good spiritual leaders and stuff, they know some of the truth. And they mix the truth with the lies. That's the dangerous stuff. But they are interesting topics. When you go past materialism and start doing the spiritual stuff, do we even have spirits? Or this is just simulation? I don't know. When you look around, it kind of seems this place at least is designed by something intelligent, some intelligent creator. That kind of seems somewhat obvious to me. But maybe I'm wrong. Anyways, I'm out of raw chicken, so see you next time.